Apinaute, welcome to the Apimo Apitips. Doing a wonderful job as real estate agents, we deal each day with a lot of properties. Some of our customers are sellers, but many of them are buyers looking for something that you may already have in your portfolio. Let's see today how to create a request in your software. The basic principle of any good real estate software is to allow crossings between the agency's portfolio and customers' requests. Inside Apimo, this is called matching. Of course, in order for this to work properly, both your customers' demands and your property's forms must be as complete as possible. The more information Apimo gets, the more reliable the matching is. By default, Apimo considers that a request is matching a property starting from a 70% correspondence of the criteria. To create a request, head to the main menu and click on Request, then Add. Do notice the Active option. A request is active from the moment you create it, but you may want to uncheck it when your customers have found what they're looking for. Leave the Automatic Crossing option checked, for this will allow your request to do its job and on its own. If you check the Email Alert option, each time a product matches all of the criteria for your request, a proposition will be automatically sent to your customers by email. It is therefore essential that both the customer's demand and the files in your portfolio are very complete. Otherwise, you could flood your customers with a plethora of not so pertinent proposals. Fill in the contact case with the name of the customer to be associated with the demand. If the contact doesn't already exist, you may create it on the spot by clicking on the plus icon. James, you know better than me that the area of your customer searches is an essential criterion. We offer several methods to define this. The simplest one is by city. Then we have a search by sectors and zones, which must be previously created by your manager. And finally, a feature allowing you to draw a search stone on a map. Check out our Apitip about finding a product by clicking here if you wish. The method is the same. The General tab sums up the essential criteria of your customer's demand. It is very important to fill in both the maximum and minimum prices, as this is the only mandatory data. Additional criteria refine your customer's search. Here you will fill in the customer's attributes, the proximities and the various commodities your customer is looking for. Be advised, however, that the free text is not considered by the automatic matching. If you state that your buyer wants to have a garden to breed frogs, for example, the software will not recognize the criterion. There you are, you have created a request. Each day, automatic checks are performed and you will be informed about matchings by the icon right there. We wish you good business now. Thank you, James, for this demonstration, and thank you, dear Apinaute, for your attention.